I held events, experiences. I held home buyer workshops. But guess what? They weren't called home buyer workshops because where I come from, people weren't concerned about their credit a lot. Okay. So when I was prospecting, I found a lot of people that I had to say, no, you can't buy a house, or send them to the lender. And the lender was like, Nakia, be for real. Sometimes, the lender said that. Okay. Uh, I found people who I kept saying no to. And I was like, well, how do I turn this no into a yes? What better way? Get them prepared, prepare them myself, help them to help themselves, and then they will be ready. And with doing that, it also built a loyalty to me. I built a fan club. I built my own fan club. Okay. I helped people get their credit together so that they would be able to make major purchases. Not just buy a house, not just get rental ready, because listen, they had to get their credit together to also lease sometimes as well. But I help people buy cars as well. I didn't go to the car dealership, but once they fix their credit, they could get a lower interest rate